Make a great choice today with the 2022 Wagoneer. The Jeep Wagoneer was the first 4x4 luxury truck offered. The Wagoneer was an SUV before the acronyms even existed. This 4x4 was designed with a revolutionary engine that allowed it to have power steering and an automatic transmission years before competitors could do the same. But it was the luxury that set this 4x4 apart. So if you want comfort, reliability, and outstanding ability, the Jeep Wagoneer is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.